Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Josephine Oxon, 40 years old, from Caguait, Surigao del Sur. Um, I'm happy and blessed having a partner, and I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls, ages 17, 13, and 12 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I worked as a housemaid in Kuwait for 9 years in one employer only. My duties are taking care of kids, uh, preparing and cooking meals, ironing the clothes, doing laundry, uh, grocery shopping, and many more. I have also lots of experience taking care of a special child having an autism. I like to work in Hong Kong because I like to earn money for my family needs and having saving for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, trustworthy, and honest, hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities, and I have a sample song for the kids if you hire me. I like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.